So guys, let's take a look at our Nasdaq 100, starting with our daily time frame. Let's sit here. Now our Nasdaq 100 is starting to give us a bullish move. By the way, our price actually tested this area here, once served as our resistance level here, and now our price pushes up, right, and it broke above it, which means our price is no longer ranging within this area. As we can highlight it here, once our price was actually ranging within this area, price tested, it also fell, and now our price has broken above it, which means this level here has been eliminated. But what we see here again is that our price has actually pushed up. Once this our Nasdaq 100 opens, or when it starts, there are two things it would happen. There are two things we should be watching out for, which can happen, so we would know how to trade it. Once it's break above this highlighted area here, I've seen on my daily time frame, I've highlighted this key area here. We can see it. This area here once serves as a support level here, once our price was actually within this area ranging here, so our price has actually come here to hit this area here. So two things might happen. We might actually see a fall within this area here, or a breakout and continue bullish move to around this key level area here. So that is exactly what we should be watching for. Once our market opens and we see a breakout, see maybe around 12557, let me highlight it well, 12557, or whatever I want to, or let us say let's say 12557, we can see highlighted. Once our price can break above this our current level to 12557, then I would consider taking a buy straight upward to this our highs here. That is if our price breaks above it. But if our price does not break above it, or does not get to our 12557, then one thing I will be aiming for is actually a fall again. Because one thing again is that we might actually see a fall is that we actually saw a push up, right? We saw this red candle serving as a pullback. We've actually seen another huge push up, breaking this our previous higher highs, and one thing we should be aiming for is a pullback again. So that is why I said there is very likelihood we will be seeing the pullback once our price opens the next day. There's every likelihood, or every chances our price we would be getting that pullback straight downward. So let us watch out for it. If we don't get that pullback by the time our price opens, then we should wait for our price to break above till our 12557. That is when we should actually consider taking our buy position. If not, then sooner or later we will be having a sell or a pullback, which will, our price probably or possibly might close bearish the next day. Now let's take a look at it on our 4-hour time frame. We can see this pullback here. We can see this retracement right on our 4-hour time frame. See this pullback here, and we can see this huge wick, by the way, on our 4-hour time frame. And here, like I said, price very much likely to fall within this area. We possibly might be seeing a pullback here, and if in case we don't see it, our price breaks above to our 12557, then it is actually a good opportunity to take our buy. If not, then we should be aiming to short this our Nasdaq 100. And now our 1-hour time frame, same thing, you can see it. 1-hour time frame, you got in this good pullback. See this push up, we saw this pullback right on our 1-hour time frame, and now saw our price. If our price manages to break this our previous higher highs and pushes up further, then I'll say consider take your buy on our 1-hour time frame. But if not, we very much likely to see a double top on this our 1-hour time frame, that our price will actually fall. So that is the analysis. Our Nasdaq 100 can either close bullish the next day, or bearish the next day. So let us watch out for it and let's see how our price plays out, then we would know how to take our position.